हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? एकदम एनर्जेटिक, सुपर डुपर अमेजिंग। Okay, so this is a full detailed video for the SRM hostels. We are going to have full hostel tour also. We will discuss about the hostel fees, hostel structure. We'll show you the rooms also. So जुड़े रहे एंड तक, बीच में छोड़ के मत जाइएगा, खबरदार। And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, so coming to the video, there are in total 7 hostels in SRM. The first one is Ganga, Vedavati. The second is Vedavati. Moving forward to the Yamuna, Narmada, Godavari and Krishna. And there is one more hostel, Kaveri, but that is for the faculties. So Ganga hostel, like there are 2 sharing room, 2 sharing room, 5 sharing room and 8 sharing room available in Ganga hostel. There's both non-AC and AC are available. And in Vedavati, there are 3 sharing room, 4 sharing bunker and non-bunker, 5 sharing room that is non-bunker, 6 sharing bunker room and 10 sharing bunker room is also available. Moving further to the Godavari Tower, there is like very less number of 2 sharing room and 3 sharing room, 4 sharing bunker and non-bunker in Godavari. Now moving further to the Yamuna and Narmada, there are 2 sharing room, both AC and non-AC, 3 sharing room and 4 sharing bunker and non-bunker. So these are the hostels available in all these towers, and Krishna is allotted for the international students. So without wasting further time, let's have a quick hostel tour. Hello guys, welcome to SRM University AP. तो ले आए हैं हम आपके लिए hostel videos, so come with me. So this is 2 sharing room. This is for the non-balcony side person. You will get 1 bed, 1 individual cupboard along with the study table and 1 mirror. So the structure of the 2 sharing room is same in all the hostels except Ganga and Vedavati. This is the video for the 2 sharing room in Narmada. Here you will get a small window for ventilation. Now this is the balcony side bed. Same structure, one individual cupboard, study table and mirror. This is the wash basin side. And here we also get one balcony. Same structure is in Godavari, Narmada, Yamuna. 2 sharing room, same structure. This is the washroom. Now moving further to the 3 sharing room, you will get these 3 beds. Beside each bed there will be study table. And every person will get 2 individual cupboards. 3 cupboards will be there, and this is the wash basin, and beside it the washroom door. Washroom will be same as in the 2 sharing. The 3 sharing room in Godavari and Narmada is just same like this. The structure of the rooms are same in these 3 hostels. So here we come with the 4 sharing bunker room. So there will be bunker bed and they will provide you 2 separate study table. Only you have to sacrifice with the cupboard because you have to share the cupboard with your partner. Means they will provide you 1 cupboard. So in which the one side will be given to the one person and the other will be given to the other person. So this is the wash basin and beside that the washroom. So this is the 4 sharing non-bunker room. Here you will get separate cupboard along with the separate study table. So here this side and one side 2 beds will be there, and after the separation there will be a separation between the beds. On the other side other 2 beds will be there, and this is the wash basin. So this is 8 sharing room in Ganga. Every person will get their individual cupboard along with their individual study table. So here you can see the spacing of the cupboards, the partition. And if you want to see a two sharing room, you can go to my video that is uploaded already on the YouTube with the name Ganga Hostel, in which I have provided a full detailed view for the Ganga Hostel along with the mess and gym. So this is the arrangement of the study tables. Mirror will be attached to the cupboards. Here is an additional cupboard. So this is the partition of that. And I will also like to say thanks to all my friends that helped me to make these videos. Further coming to 4 sharing bunker Vedavati. So these side are the cupboards. These are the beds along with these study tables. So here you will get washroom and a separate bathroom. So this is the 5 sharing room in Vedavati. So this side, this is the washroom. This is the separate washroom. So there will be a separate washroom and separate bathroom. So this is a separate bathroom. So here outside there will be a wash basin. And every person will get their individual cupboards along with their individual study table. So this is the structure of 5 sharing room in Vedavati. Moving further to the 3 sharing room in Vedavati. So this is the washroom and bathroom. Wash basin is attached inside only. So these are the 3 beds along with their individual cupboards and individual study tables. Moving further to the 6 sharing bunker room in Vedavati. So there will be 3 bunkers bed, but there will be 3 cupboards. So you have to again share the cupboards with your room partner. Each side of the cupboard will be given to one person. Means there will be one cupboard in which each side of the cupboard will be given to one person. The other side will be given to the other person. There will be separate locks for each side. So this is the 6 sharing room. So now let's show you the Vedavati mess. So guys, if you have any query, you can drop a message on my Instagram ID that is added in the description box. Also, you can comment in the comment section. So now, as you have seen all the hostel structure, coming forward to the fee structure. So you can check the fee structure through the link added in the description box. Okay, so and if you want to check which one is bed 1 and which one is bed 2, which is the balcony side, which is the non-balcony side, then you can go for the hostel layout. So hostel layout link I will add in the description box, so you can check it from there. Okay, so coming to the pros and cons, I will tell you in Godavari, like most girls or like boys prefer to have a balcony, to have a fantastic, beautiful view. So we get a balcony in Godavari, Yamuna, Narmada, Krishna Tower, but there is no balcony in Ganga and Vedavati. Sharing room in Narmada and Yamuna and same in Godavari have a separation between the 2 beds, but in Ganga there is no separation between the 2 beds. And a separate mess, there is a separate mess for Ganga hostel and there is a separate mess in Vedavati. Rest, all the hostels are good. All the hostels have a great infrastructure. So friends, almost I have shared everything. If you have any doubt, you can drop a message on my Instagram ID that is added in the description box. And also you can comment me in the comment section. So मिलते रहेंगे new videos के साथ. So and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So सत श्री अकाल, जाग्रता. I don't know much Telugu, but kuncham kuncham Telugu I know. Okay, bye.